In this video I'm going to show you how to insert vertical line in Google Docs. So for the first step you will need to open a Google document, and after that we will go to Format, Paragraph Styles and then Borders and Shading. As you can see, we have different options over here for the positioning. These are horizontal lines and those two are vertical lines. We would like to select the left border and right border, so it will be placed on the left side and the right side of the document. As you can see, we also have an option to select the border width. Now we will make it a little bit thicker, and once you have done that you can select the border dash. You can choose out of the solid line, the striped line and the dotted line. So select your preferred one. I will keep it on a solid line, and then you can select the border color. Let's make this one red. And after that we can apply. Now you have successfully added a line on the left side and the right side.